Hello. So we have a question on functions. Okay. I will explain some functions in front of you, and we will solve some algebraic functions. Okay. So let's say first we have fx is equal to x minus 1 and gx is equal to 2x square. So these are the two functions given to us. So first we need to calculate is f plus g of x. So solution, how we will solve this is we will just distribute it as like fx plus gx. So it would be fx would be this x minus 1 and gx would be this plus 2x square. So our answer will be 2x square plus x minus 1. Okay, so our next part is now we will subtract it. So f minus g of x. So our answer will be fx minus gx. Okay, so it would be x minus 1 minus wait a minute, it is x plus 1, that is our fx, minus gx, that is 2x square. So it would be x minus 1 minus 2x square, and hence minus 2x square plus x minus 1. Okay, so coming to our third part, it is cf point g of x. Okay, so this point means multiply. Okay, so this is written as f into g of x. So solution here would be fx into gx. Okay, so it would be x minus 1 into 2x square. So we will multiply this would be multiplied like with this, and this will be multiplied again like with this. So this has to be multiplied with both of these. So it would be 2x square into x minus 1 into 2x square. Okay, so it would be 2x cube minus 2x square. So this is our answer. Okay, now our D part is f upon g of x. So again here it is in division, so we will write it as fx upon gx. Okay, so it would be x minus 1 upon 2x square. So this is our answer. Now coming to the E part, it is f plus g of 3. So we know that this can be written as f of 3 plus g of 3. Okay, but f of 3 would be if fx is equal to x minus 1, then f3 will have to be 3 minus 1, that is 2. And if gx is equal to 2x square, then g3 is equal to 2 into 3 square is equal to 18. So our answer would be from this we will write as f3 is 2 plus g3 is 18, so it would be 20. Okay, now coming to our next part, that is f minus g of 4. So it would be f4 minus g4. So we will put the value of x as 4 in fx. So it would be 4 minus 1 minus 2 into 4 square. Got it? So it would be 3 minus 4 4 16 to ja 32, and it would be minus 29. Okay, so coming to the g part, it is f into g of 2. So it would be f of 2 into g of 2. Now putting the value of x as 2, it would be x minus 1 where x is 2. So let us put it right here only. So it would be 2 minus 1 multiply 2 into 2 square, because x is 2 here and our gx is 2x square. Okay, so it would be 1 into 8 is equal to 8. Okay, so now coming to the h part, it would be f upon g of 1. So it would be f1 upon g1 is equal to x minus 1. So 1 minus 1 upon 2 into 1 square. So it would be 0 upon 2 is equal to 0 is our answer. So this was the first example. So we will take another example to elaborate this more. So our second example is where fx is equal to 2x plus 3 upon 3x minus 2 and gx is equal to 4x upon 3x minus 2. So how we will do this is coming to our first part, that is a f plus g of x. So it would be fx plus gx is equal to fx is 2x plus 3 upon 3x minus 2 plus 4x upon 3x minus 2. Now we will take LCM of these, so it would be 3x minus 2 completely, and now the denominator will get added 4x. So it would be 6x plus 3 upon 3x minus 2. So this would be our answer. Okay, now second part is B, that is f minus g of x. It is fx minus gx. Okay, so fx is 2x plus 3 upon 3x minus 2 minus 4x upon 3x minus 2. So it would be 3x minus 2, 2x plus 3 minus 4x. So it would be 3 minus 2x upon 3x minus 2. So this would be our answer. Okay, now coming to the C part. C says f into g of x. So it would be fx into gx. So it would be what was our function? It was 2x plus 3 upon 3x minus 2 into 4x upon 3x minus 2. Okay, so it will be multiplied like 4x into 2x plus 3 into 4x upon 3x minus 2 का whole square. Okay, so it would be 8x square plus 12x upon 3x minus 2 whole square. Okay, so our D part would be, I think it is in division, so fx f upon g of x is equal to fx upon gx. So it would be, what is our fx? It is 2x plus 3 upon 3x minus 2 upon 4x upon 3x minus 2. So it would be 2x plus 3 upon 4x. Okay, so our next part would be E part, that says f plus 3 f plus g of 3. Now first for this we will solve as f3, and we will remember our value of f3 so that we can use it directly. So it would be 2 3 plus 3 upon 3 3 minus 2. So it would be 6 plus 3 9 upon 7. Okay, it is 9 upon 7. Am I right or am I doing something wrong? No, I'm good. So okay, g3 is equal to 4 into 3 upon 3 into 3 minus 2. So it would be 12 upon 7. So our f3 is this and g3 is this. Now we will add both of these. f3 plus g3 is equal to 9 upon 7 plus 12 upon 7. So it would be 19 upon 7. Okay, now coming to our next part, it says f minus g of 4. Now we will calculate f4 minus g4. So it would be 2 into 4 plus 3 upon 3 into 4 minus 2 minus g4, that is 4 into 4 upon 3 into 4 minus 2. So it would be 8 plus 3 11 upon 10 minus 16 upon 10. So it would be minus 5 upon 10 and minus 1 upon 2. Now coming to the next part, it says as g, f g of 2. So it would be f 2 into G2. So it would be F2 is 2 into 2 plus 3 upon 3 into 2 minus 2. Okay, so into 4 into 2 upon 3 into 2 minus 2. So it would be 2 to the 4 plus 3 7 upon 3 to the 6 minus 2 5. 3 to the 6 minus 2, that is 4. Multiply 8 upon 4. So it will be cancelled out as 2 and it will be cancelled out again as 2. So it would be 7 by 2. Now our last part is H, that is F upon G of 1. Okay, so it would be F1 upon G1. Okay, so it would be 2 into 1 plus 3 upon 3 into 1 minus 2 upon 4 into 1 upon 3 into 1 minus 2. So it will cancel out. Now it would come as 5 upon 4. So this is our answer. So here we complete as functions and their algebra. So thanks.